Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making white bean spread with Napa cabbage. Let's get right to it. To start, prepare big gluten bowl, white bean spread, and Napa cabbage. Wash and dry cabbage thoroughly and slice into stripes. Combine light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, ground white pepper, and water in a bowl. Stir to mix well. Mince scallion and separate white from green part. Add oil to a cold wok. Adjust the heat to medium-high and add white part of scallion. Stir until aromatic. Put in stripes of the Napa, squeezed gluten balls, and white bean spread. Pour in the sauce mixture and turn to strong heat. Wait for a boil and turn to gentle heat. Once bean spread soften, add dark soy sauce to color. Last step, transfer everything to a bowl and garnish with scallions. Then white bean spread with Napa cabbage is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. See you until next time.